This literature kit on Wringer by Jerry Spinelli engages students in the activities being presented. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Make predictions about what will happen in the following chapters based on what you know of the characters so far. Describe how Palmer felt about pigeons based on his reactions from the first 2 Pigeon Days. Answer multiple-choice questions about Palmer's experience with his friends. Retell Palmer's reasons for not wanting to be a ringer as he tells them to Dorothy. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a poem that describes Palmer's actions throughout the story. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Describe 3 important settings from the novel and discuss some of the important plot events that happened at each of them. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.